Today I am solving fifth problem from Introductory Problems of CSES website. The problem name is permutation. Here, the permutation of an integer 1 to n is called beautiful if there are no adjacent elements whose difference is 1. Given n, construct a beautiful permutation if such a permutation exists. We will be given single digit input n. And what we have to do is we have to find a permutation such that no two adjacent elements difference is 1. Like input is 5, so the output is 4 2 5 3 1. Here no two adjacent element is having difference of 1, it is having minimum difference of 2, and if no such permutation exists, then we have to print no solution. Now let us code this. Permutation, okay. N equals to integer input. Now if n equal 1, print n. If the value is 1, we will print itself. If n is less than 4, print no solution. Else, now we will apply our logic. What we will do is we will print all the even numbers smaller than the input number. So all the even numbers are for I in range 2, n plus 1, 2. It will print all the even numbers smaller than our n. Then we will print all the odd numbers for I in range 1, n plus 1, 2. Print I. So what this will do is this will print a permutation such that no two adjacent numbers share the difference of 1. Okay, let us take a big number like 100. Here we can see no two adjacent number shares the difference of 1. Thanks for watching the video.